Hi, my name is Nur Zamira. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to use TikTok. So, let's get started. Please click the button below this video. First, how to get into TikTok. To get into TikTok, there are 7 choices of options. But I choose to log in with phone because it is the easiest. Just type in the phone number and click send code. A 6-digit code will be given to you. Type in the code and that's it. We are already in TikTok. How to search specific videos on TikTok, for example, educational videos. To search for a video, you need to click on the Discover icon. Type in the title of the topic that you want, and click Search. As you can see, there are lots of videos that are related to the keyword that you search. Next, how to upload videos on TikTok. To upload a video, click the plus icon on the bottom center of the screen. Click Upload. Choose the video that you want to upload, and click Next. Adjust the duration of your video and click Next. You can add music, effects, texts, stickers, filters, voice effects, voiceover, and noise reducer onto your video. When you are done, click Next. Describe your video a little bit and click Post. That is all from me. Thank you for your time. Good luck.